Hey guys, this is Andre. Want to give a quick tip as far as a little bit of nutrition. I'm not the best in the world as far as nutrition, but as far as feeling pretty much fresh within your day and easier said than done. But believe it or not, if you do have little things, if you eat stuff such as maybe fruits or vegetables, or even maybe deli sandwiches, that does help you keep a little bit sharp within your day too, and it does give you energy. There's nothing wrong with eating some of the snacks as far as maybe some want to say pretty much like honey buns or pastries or whatnot. But shoot, because some of those are good too as far as getting you carbohydrates. But just eating some of the stuff that's fresh, fruit or vegetables for those that might work in offices too or have meetings that help to keep you stay up within the meetings, that will do a big benefit for you too and to keep you fresh within the day. I know personally I would like to eat cereal pretty much most of the time in the mornings. For lunch I'll turn around and have a sandwich too, pretty much make my own sandwich, that turkey ham, stuff like that. And for dinner, most of the time might be something as far as a pasta to give me the carbs. But that will help me keep me energized pretty much throughout the whole day and keep me sharp as well. Now, obviously, some people that are on diets or whatnot, you have a cheat day, which is no problem. But I just wanted just to throw those suggestions out to you to just to help out because I know, as I mentioned a few moments ago, it's easier said than done. But to actually just okay, just keep this in mind too, and just from an ordinary person, just to help you out, this might help out as well. So if you got a value from this, comment, like, or share underneath this video too. And I'd also like to hear your own things that you like to eat as well throughout the day, that are real healthy. So with that being said, I'll talk to you guys next video.